Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with finding Phone Manager. This is the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just try to find it and then open it. Right here we've got something called Viruses and Risks, so let's tap on it and then tap on Scan or Scan again. And now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses or malware. And after that it will show you the results. In my case everything is alright. However, if your device will find any kind of problems, it will show you the information about it, and it will also guide you through the steps of how to get rid of the risk, so you will be secured for sure. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.